Okay, tell me once. Are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Fine. Let everyone join. We'll wait for 1 more minute and then we'll start. Okay. Till then, you just revise the last point. Fine. So, what was the last point? Can you tell me? What was the last point? Just give me a second. Translational kinetic energy of gas. Okay. So, have we derived the different forms of kinetic energy? Okay. Some phrase will be given to us, some statement, some wording will be given to us, and according to that, we have to find the kinetic energy of a gas of 1 mole gas, kinetic energy per mole, kinetic energy per molecule. Okay, or maybe the kinetic energy of n moles. N moles means gas. Okay, so those type of questions we are ready to solve. All right. So let us try to solve some questions. Okay. So refer page number 113. Write down reference example 1. Write down question number 1. Let me read the example. You just extract the data. Okay, and try to solve the example. Okay, without my help. Let me read the question. You just write down reference number 1. The speeds in meter per second for 8 molecules are 2, 4, 5, 5, 8, 9, 11 and 15. Find the average speed and the RMS speed. Okay. So try to solve the example fast as possible. Do the calculation up to the accuracy of 2 digits. There are how many molecules? 8 molecules. So number of molecules we denote by letter capital N. Okay, capital N is number of molecules. So write down capital N is equal to 8. 8 different speeds are given to us, C1, C2, so on up to C8. Or let us write all the speeds. Okay, C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8. 8 speeds are given to us, right? So just write down the values of speeds. What are the values of speeds? Those are, let me check, 2, 4, 5, 5, 8, 9. 2, 4, 5, 5, 8, 9. Okay. Then 11 and 15. 11 and 15. These are the total number of 8 molecules with these speeds. All these speeds are in meter per second. They are asking us to find out the average speed. Tell me what is the average speed calculation. Reply me in the chat box fast. These are very easy questions. Okay. Add all the speeds, divide by 8 and tell me the answer. Online people, fast. What is the answer? What is the answer? Don't write 60 upon 8. I want the final answer. What is that? 60 upon 8 is what? 7.5. Good. So, sir, average speed is equal to 7.5 meter per second. Perfect. How to find out average speed? Just add all these speeds, divide by 8. That's it. Next, see RMS. Now let me check how many of you find the answer correctly. See RMS. RMS speed काढून दाखवा बाळांनो. You know what is the formula and you know how to apply the formula. Okay. This thing we are very much used to. Okay, applying the formula correctly. RMS. If different speeds are given to us, use the basic definition and tell me the answer. RMS answer 73 wrong. 73 should be a wrong answer. 73 is a wrong answer. 7.54 might be correct. 7.54 might be correct. Let's see. Everyone. 8.54. Let's see if it is correct or not. So possible answers that I'm receiving is 7.54, 8.54. Okay. Ayush is saying 8.54. Let's see. Okay. 8.54 again. Others, you have to find out the square root on your own without taking help of book. Okay. Without taking help of calculator. You should be able to give the answer. If you are writing it as 7.54, certainly it means that either you are using the calculator or you are referring the notebook or the book. You have to do on your own. If you are saying it is 8.54, that indicates that you are trying to calculate the square root up to the accuracy of 2 digits. Now Aryan is saying 8.3. Now this seems somewhat answer which has been calculated by himself only. Others are certainly referring to the calculator or book. Others, try to find out the answer on your own. Take the square root on your own. Akash is saying 8.37. Let's see what is his logic. Everyone, try to find it. We already have developed the tricks to find out square roots. Okay, Antara is saying 8.4. Okay, that might be correct. Now let's see which is the correct answer. Everyone observe here. Let's do the calculation for CRMS. What is the formula for CRMS? Sir, the formula for CRMS is root of mean of means divided by n, total number of molecules, root of mean of square values. So we have to add the square values. So C1 square plus C2 square plus so on up to Cn square. Fine, sir. Total number of 8 speeds are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 square. First speed square 2 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 5 square plus 8 square plus 9 square plus 11 square plus 15 square. I know it is a lengthy calculation, but I want you to do it. Divided by total number of molecules 8. Divide by 8. Okay, fine. What is this addition? Online people, tell me, what is this addition? It is 551. Okay, let everyone calculate. 551, everyone is saying 561 or 551? 584. बघा, बेरजा करायला पण चुकतोय आम्ही. Even the addition, everyone is giving different answer. Why it is so? 561. Okay, fine. So majority of the people are saying 561. So I will go with the 561 divided by 8. Okay. These kind of simple addition, we should not make any kind of silly mistake. Okay. Now what is this division? Upon 8. You should be certainly able to divide something upon it. Accuracy to the 2 digit. Sarth is saving 70.12. Everyone, calculate it and tell me what is this 561 upon 8. Okay, 70.125. Good. 70.125 accuracy to the 3 digits. That is also no problem. So now we have to find out square root of this. Now let us try to find out square root. Now we have the trick like this. See, the square root trick will work like this. See, the value is 70.12. Let us write that value as 70.13. This 5 and this 2, let us make it as 70.13. Okay, sir, fine. Now, we know that 64 is the square of 8. Okay, then for 9 it is 81. 9 square is 81. So answer must be lying between 8 and 9. So let us check with 8.5. Let us check with 8.5. 8.5 square will be what? 5 square is 25 and 8 square is 64 and 8 square is 64. So 8.5 square is 64.52. So certainly answer should be more than 8.5. Am I right? Answer is 64.25. I think I made a mistake, right? 8 into 9. 8 into 9 I had to do. 5 square is 25. 8 into 9 is 72. 72.25. Now 8.5 square is 72 point something. So 8.5 square is more. This 72 is more than 70. So answer must be less than 8.5. Answer must be less than 8.5. So let me verify what is the square of 8.3. After finding out square of 8.3, I will be able to decide whether I should write 8.3 or 8.4, because I am certainly not going to write 8.5. So let us make the square of 8.3. Tell me the square of 8.3. Do the multiplication 8.3 into 8.3 and tell me the square of 8.3. First, such calculations are required in this chapter, so you have to do it. Good. It is, what is that? 60. Manali, how can be 8 at the end of 3 square? 68.89. 68.89. Okay, sir. Now you observe this. 88.3 square is 68, and here we want 70. So certainly I will not be choosing this 8.3. I will be choosing 8.4. I am not choosing 8.5 because number is larger than 70. I am not choosing 8.3 because number is less than 70. So answer, I must be selecting 8.4. 8.4. So correct answer is 8.4. That's my answer. That's my answer. Okay. Am I right? Am I right? Tell me. What is their answer? Their answer is 8.54. Their answer is 8.54. Sir, in the question, the speed of first molecule is given 11, but in the solution they have taken 12. Okay, they have taken 12. Fine. So are we correct? With 11, with 11 as a speed, with 11 as a speed, average speed, is that right? With 11 as a speed, how can you say 7.5? तुम्ही त्या पुस्तकात बघून आन्सर का देताय? मला हेच कळत नाही. How can you write 7.5 here? If the speed here they have given 12 in the solution and they have calculated answer as 7.5, then why you told me that it is the answer is 7.5? The answer must be less than this. The answer must be less than 7.4. Okay, so this answer is wrong. तुम्ही काहीही कॅल्क्युलेशन स्वतः करत नाहीये. Okay, you are getting dependent on the book, which is very bad thing for you. Tell me the average value. Do the calculation again and tell me what is the average value. RMS value we have calculated as 8.4 meter per second. Average must be less than 8.4. I know the answer is going to be less than 8.4, and here you wrote 8.5. It means that certainly you are referring the book. Tell me the answer. 6.25. No, it should not be that much less. It should not be 6 point. Those values are closer to each other, but the RMS value is more than the average value. So RMS we have calculated as 8.4. So average value should be slightly less than that. Okay, 7.3, 7.3, 7.3. Everyone is now giving 7.3. Fine, let me write here 7.3. Let's see whether the value is 7.3 or not. Okay, let us try to find out average. See how much struggle is there in finding the average value and RMS value. If you are struggling with these questions, then you must practice for some mathematics. Okay, Simple addition, subtraction, division, square root. You have to practice it again. 2, 4, 5, 5, 8, 9, 11 plus 15. Now let me do the calculation on my own. I will not be asking you. Otherwise, you will be giving the answer again using the mobile or calculator. So let me do the calculation on my own. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 10, 16, 16 plus 8 is 24, 24 plus 9, 33, 33 plus 11, 34 and 44, 44 plus this 15, 49 and 59. You just check whether I'm right or wrong. 59 upon 8. So 59 upon 8, 8 into 7, 56, 3 is there, 30, 8 into 3 is 24, 6 is remaining, 60, 8 into 7, so 7.37 somewhat, okay, 7.37. So yes, this one is right and this one is right. Always remember, RMS speed is more than average speed, is more, they are almost closer to each other, but RMS speed is more than average speed, is more than the most probable speed, is more than the most probable speed. Okay, always remember this. Write down this. Write down this. Some people remember it like this. R stands for RMS, A stands for average, M stands for M, RAM. M stands for most probable, A stands for average, R stands for RMS. RMS speed value is more than the average speed and most probable value is the least value. So RAM. Remember the sequence. Write down the trick. This is the trick to verify whether the calculations are right or wrong. If 8.4 is the RMS, average must be less than 8.4. Okay. Yes. Remember the trick with the word RAM. Okay. Remember the trick with the word RAM. R stands for RMS, A stands for average, M stands for most probable. And with this trick itself, I said that 8.5 answer must be wrong. 8.5 answer must be wrong. Why I said that? Because RMS value is coming out to be 8.4. How can average be more than that? I know that RMS value is more than the average. Okay. So I said 8.5 must be the wrong answer, and then I found that you must be referring to the book. Okay. Fine. So I want you to do the calculations independently. Fine. Let's move on to the next question. Let me read the question. You solve the answer. Okay, solve for the answer. Write down reference number 2, reference example 2. In the certain region of space, there are 5 molecules per cm cube. So what you are given? Number of molecules per unit volume. It is 5 molecules per unit volume. So number of molecules unit nahi hai त्याला काहीच, volume unit आहे cm cube. So 5 molecules per cm cube. So number of molecules per unit volume. This is also called as number density. Number of molecules per unit volume. Mass density is mass upon volume. Okay. Charge density is charge upon volume. Just like that, number density is number of something divided by volume. So this is number density of molecules. The temperature is 3 Kelvin. See, the temperature is given as 3 Kelvin. In that certain region, temperature is given as 3 Kelvin. What is the average pressure of this very dilute gas? Very dilute gas whose average pressure is being asked. Okay, sir, fine, no problem. And K value. See, small k, when they write small k, it is Boltzmann constant. For our convenience, we write the Boltzmann constant as Kb. But small k means Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant can be identified with the number or the unit. Its numerical value is 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23. Okay, joule per second. I remember the unit of Boltzmann constant as joule per second. Okay. How do I remember this? I know R is equal to Na Kb. R is equal to Na into Kb. What is the unit of R? The unit of R is joule per Kelvin per mole. What is unit of Avogadro number? Sir, it is per mole. So what is the unit of Boltzmann constant there? Sir, this mole cancel. Unit of Boltzmann constant is joule per Kelvin. So I made a mistake. Joule per second. It's not joule per second. It's joule per Kelvin. Okay. So from the unit, you can identify the given value to be given as Boltzmann constant. You must remember this number 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23 for calculation purpose. Okay. Most of the times Boltzmann constant will not be given to us. Fortunately, in this example, we are given the value of Boltzmann constant. Okay. But in reality, always we will not be given the Boltzmann constant. Okay. So its unit should be joule per Kelvin, okay, and not joule per Kelvin per mole. In the book, they have written the unit as joule per Kelvin per mole. That is wrong unit. The unit is joule per Kelvin. Okay, for Boltzmann constant, unit is joule per Kelvin. Oh, okay. Find out the pressure of the gas. Okay, let us try to find out pressure of the gas. Tell me which equation I shall use. Which equation I shall use? What comes into your mind? Okay, after reading this example, what comes into our mind? Now we know what is the kinetic theory. We know what are the equations to be used for the ideal gas. All these things we know. Okay, the pressure of the gas is to be found out. So ideal gas equation we have to use. Correct answer. So let us use PV is equal to nRT. Let us use PV is equal to nRT. All right, sir. Sir, we are given number of molecules per unit volume. Fine. Sir, we are asked the value of pressure. We are given the value of temperature. Temperature value is given to us. Universal gas constant is known to us. So somehow this thing we have to get rid of. Pressure we want to calculate. So let us write pressure is equal to number of moles upon volume into R into T. But sir, we are not given number of moles. We are not also given the volume. Okay, we know what is the universal gas constant. We know what is the temperature. Fine. Sir, we are also given the Boltzmann constant. Fine. Now, let us try to bring this number of molecules per unit volume in the equation. Can I write this total number of moles? Try to understand total number of moles as number of molecules divided by Avogadro's number. Total number of molecules divided by Avogadro number. I will get number of moles. Now, this 1 upon volume as it is into R as it is into T as it is. Now this term let me write together number of molecules per unit volume in the same bracket. Now this 1 upon Avogadro number, or let this R be as it is, then Avogadro number into T. But sir, we know that R is equal to NA/Kb. We know that R is equal to NA/Kb. Remember this formula, R is equal to NA/Kb divided by Na multiplied by T. Now sir, this Na gets cancelled. So what we get is this number of molecules per unit volume into Kb. Kb is the Boltzmann constant into T. This bracket value we are given, Kb we are given, temperature we are given. So this is our value of pressure. But now you may make a silly mistake that while putting the value of number of molecules per unit volume, you may directly write their phi, which will be a mistake. We have to put the values in SI unit. So what shall we do is this. We have to write this phi as it is. Now centimeter means 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Centimeter means 10 raised to minus 2 meter and its cube is to be made. So the final answer for number of molecules per unit volume will be what? Phi will be as it is. Index of index is multiplication of index. So 10 raised to minus 6, this meter cube as it is. Okay. So what shall be the answer? So pressure is equal to, do the calculation and tell me the final answer. Number of molecules per unit volume, that is equal to 5 upon 10 raised to minus 6. Kb is the Boltzmann constant, which is equal to 1.38 into 10 raised to minus 23. And this temperature is 3 Kelvin. No problem, it is in SI unit. Do the calculation and tell me the final answer. I want you to do the calculation up to the accuracy of 2 digits. Do it and tell me. Don't take reference of any book or calculator. Don't take help of calculator. Use your brain. There is already calculator fitted inside you. Fit in. Tell me. See, you must be able to do such kind of calculations, and therefore I am forcing you to do the calculation. In this chapter we have to do it. Okay, no option. Certain types of calculation are there in this chapter, and we are just practicing those. Taking square root, we are used to taking the square root. Finding RMS, finding average, now we are used to 2.070. Okay, let's see whether it is 2.070 or not. 2.070 into 10 raised to काय बाळ? 10 raised to what? Tell me, 2.070 into 10 raised to what? Minus 17, minus 18, minus 16. What is that? 2 point. I want decimal point after first digit. See, you cannot write 20 point something. Okay, you should always write 2 point something. Decimal point is always to be arranged after first non-zero digit. That is a convention. You should follow the convention. So 10 raised to 5, 10 raised to minus 16. Okay, I think this should be the correct answer. Check whether I am right or wrong. Am I right? Just tell me, am I right or wrong? It should not be plus 16. Okay, that much pressure will be too high. Okay, it must be minus 16. Just tell me whether I am right or wrong. These many Newton per meter square or Pascal. So this shall be our answer. बघा बाळांनो आले का आन्सर? 5 into 3 is 15. Multiplying 15 to this 1.38 is a simple task. Do it and tell me the answer whether I am right or wrong. Yes, most of the people are saying, sir, you are right. So it means that I am right. Okay. So shall we solve the next question now? Shall we solve the next question? Yes, good. So let me rub this. Okay. So this habit of what is given, what is asked, and which equation to be used will almost solve all the questions. What is given, what is asked, most probable equation to be used. Just write down that most probable equation. Check what are the things in that equation are given. Check what are the things which are not given. Try to find the things which are not given. That's it. This thought process will help you to solve most of the problems. Okay. Fine. Now let us move on to the next question. Question number 3. Okay. Question number 3. Find the average translational kinetic energy. See, we are asked average translational kinetic energy of molecules in the air at 300 Kelvin. What we are asked? Average translational kinetic energy of molecules. Of molecules means what? Translational kinetic energy पर मॉलिक्यूल. कुठल्याही एका मॉलिक्यूलची म्हटलं तरी चालेल किंवा मॉलिक्यूल्स जरी म्हटलं तरी त्यांना एकाच मॉलिक्यूलची एनर्जी काढायची आहे. ओके. ट्रान्सलेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी पर मॉलिक्यूल at 300 Kelvin is the question. At 300 Kelvin is the question. So tell me which formula I shall use. Let me call energy as E. Which formula I shall use? Tell me. Everyone. एका मॉलिक्यूलची एनर्जी काढायची आहे. ट्रान्सलेशनल कायनेटिक एनर्जी. Correct. It is 3/2 kBT. Good. Right. Everyone is giving the correct answer. It is 3/2 kBT. For one molecule, what is the energy? Sir, 3/2 kBT. For 1 mole, what is the energy? Tell me in the chat box. एका molecule ची energy कशी काढणार आहेस बाळ? Which energy? Sir, translational kinetic energy. So it is 3/2 kBT. Sir, for 1 mole, translational kinetic energy is 3/2 RT. Am I right? 3/2 RT. Okay. And for n moles, it is 3/2 nRT or 3/2 PV. 3/2 nRT or 3/2 PV. For n moles means gas. For 1 mole, it is 3/2 RT. And for 1 molecule, 3/2 kBT. From this formula, this is the kinetic energy of 1 molecule. Such Avogadro number molecules are present in 1 mole. So Na into Kb is R. This is the kinetic energy of 1 molecule. Such Avogadro number molecules are present in 1 mole. Na into Kb is R. So in this way, 1 mole kinetic energy is found out. Fine. So right now we need to use the equation 3 by 2 kBt. Now you people use the equation and tell me the final answer. I want decimal point after first non-zero digit. Just tell me what is the number. Let me write the formula first. It is 3 by 2 kb into t. So 3 by 2, what is kb? It is 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23. The temperature given is 300. Okay, do the calculation and tell me the number. This number multiplied by 10 raised to what? Just write the two numbers as the answer. This number, comma, this number. I want decimal point after the first digit. Do the calculation and tell me the answer. Such kind of calculations we will be asking you in the exam. Tell me. कहीं अवॉर्ड नहीं है फिजिक्स. बस तुम्हाला एवढंच माहित पाहिजे की which formula is to be used for the given case. Now we know it is a one molecule case. So one molecule case 3 by 2 kBt. Tell me what is this number? Everyone, first tell me what is this number? $6.21 should be the wrong answer. Probably wrong answer. Let me check still. 9, 1.38 upon 2 into 9. Okay. It should be 2 point something, right? It should be 2 point something. Everyone check. What is this number? It should be, I think it should be 2 point something. Let's see. 6.21. Okay. I think how to 3 multiply करायचा राहतोय. Here it is coming 2 point something because see 1.4 I am making this. I am making this as 1.4. 1.4 upon 2 is 0.7. 0.7 into 3 is 2.1. So this 3 is to yet to be multiplied. माझा हा 3 multiply करायचा राहतो. तुमच्यासारखाच हा माझा पण 3 multiply करायचा राहतो. I am calculating this as fast as possible like this. 1.38 I am approximating as 1.4. 1.4 upon 2 is 0.7. 1.4 upon 2 is 0.7. 0.7 into 3 is 2.1. 2.1 into 3 will be 6.3 something. Yes, 6 point wale right hand. So what is that 6 point? Tell me the accuracy up to 2 digit. What is that 6.21? Okay, fine. 6.21. Okay, fine. Now everyone, tell me what is this? 10 raised to what? This minus 23 and this double 00 minus 21. Perfect. Minus 21. Now, what shall be the unit of the answer? Joule, joule per mole, joule per molecule, molecule per joule. What is that? Kinetic energy per molecule. It should be simply joule. Kinetic energy per mole म्हटलं असतं तर joule per mole. Okay. Right now we are asked kinetic energy of molecule. It will be in joule. Kinetic energy per mole म्हटलं तर joule per mole. आणि kinetic energy of gas म्हटलं परत joule. No, don't write joule per molecule. Okay, don't write joule per molecule because molecule is it has just no unit. Okay, it is just number of molecules. So its unit must be joule. So this is our final answer. All right. Now, do we know the unit of energy as electron volt? Electron volt नावाचं unit माहिती आहे का आम्हाला? Smaller unit of energy. Do we know unit of energy as electron volt? Just tell me yes or no. Advait is saying yes. Atharva saying no.